जज्बों की सदाकत जिंदा है, ईमान की हरारत जिंदा है, जब तक है सलामत सर मेरा, सदाए शहादत जिंदा है, जज्बों की सदाकत जिंदा है। Director sir, principal, teachers, honorable chief guests, parents and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुल सिता हमारा. Today is 15th August 2022. We all are celebrating our 26th Independence Day. I'm very happy that I got chance to speak on this occasion. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of country. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independence country and we have our own fundamental right and our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on border to protect of our country. We should try to do everything for progress, prosperity and growth of our country. I'm proud to be an Indian and I love my country. वतन